Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, about to get into some of the best deals that you can do this week. I'm getting a late start because I've been all over this 90% off clearance, but we got some good stuff at the pub. So y'all know how we do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into it. So I am trying to hit at least 10 Ibotta offers today so that I can hit my midweek bonus. So I'm going to knock out some cheap Ibotta deals. The first one I'm going to be grabbing is the Sambucas elderberry immune lozenges. So these are $3.99 on sale this week. And on Ibotta, we do have that $3.75 rebate once again. So that's going to make these just 24 cents. I'm going to grab 2 bags since the limit is 2. And that will knock out 2 of my Ibotta offers and only 24 cents each. Now, one deal I'm not grabbing because we got so much Old Spice already at the end of last year is on the Old Spice Classic. If you do need this though, it is a good deal. So this week, the Old Spice Classic deodorants are buy 2, get $3 off. So you can pick up 2 of these that are $3.99. That'll be $7.98. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that'll leave you to pay $3.98. And then we have a $3 off 2 sale that'll bring it down to just 49 cents each for these. If you need paper products, the Angel Soft is on sale 2 for $11. So these are $5.50 each. We have $1.50 printable coupons on these. So if you want to pick these up, you can grab them for just $4 for each one. We also have that 5 off of 20 Georgia Pacific coupon that'll work on these. But if you just want to pick up one, you can just grab one for $4. I have to get a rain check for the Happy Eggs, but what we're looking for is the 12 count that look like that right there. These are buy one, get one for $5.99. We do have $1 printable coupons for these that'll make these just $1.99 per dozen. Next that we're grabbing is on the Activia Proactive. We're going to get the Proactive 4 count that is buy one, get one for $4.69. Now for this, you want to see if your store has this Blinky machine giving out these $1.50 Blinky coupons, because if so, that'll make this deal really sweet. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick up 5 of these Activia yogurts. If your store does not have the Blinkies that I'm going to be using, we do have digital coupons for these as well. So just use the coupons in your Publix app. Now, one of these coupons expires 1/7. Is that today? So one of them does expire soon. But I'm going to use all Blinky coupons because I'm also going to be submitting back for this rebate. And on this rebate that we've done before, the morning's upgraded rebate, when you spend $10 on these products, you will get $5 back. Now, we've learned from experience, it doesn't matter what system you're on, it does track the price after the sale. So I need to spend at least $10 on these products after the sale. Now, I'm going to use paper coupons versus the digital coupons because I don't want them to take out any coupons amount since it is after promotions and discounts and all of that. With the paper coupons, they won't be able to tell that the coupons were used on this product, but the way that the Publix receipts are set up. So before the sale, this is $23.45 worth of the yogurt. We're only going to pay half of that after the sale. So we'll be at $11.72. And if you're in Florida, you can pick up 6 of these so that you will be way over that mark if you want to submit back for the rebate as well. Now, we are going to have $1.50 coupons on each one of these. So 150 times 5 is going to come off of these, leaving me to pay just $4.22 at the register. Then I am also going to be submitting over to Ibotta for each one of these as well. This is going to give me 5 Ibotta offers. And this is the Ibotta offer that we're going to be submitting back for $1 back on each one. So that already makes these completely free because we're going to pay out $4.22, but we're going to get back $5 in cash. So that already made them a 77-cent moneymaker. But I'm also going to submit over for that $5 rebate as well. So that's going to make it a $5.77 moneymaker for all 5. Now I need to grab some yogurt for my husband because he is not going to eat that Activia. I will have to eat that. But these are buy one, get one. We're going to get these 8 packs. These are buy one, get one for $6.39. We're going to pick up 2 of these because we have $1.50 digital coupon on 2. Pick up these 2 for $6.39. On our Publix app, we have this $1.50 digital coupon off of 2. And then we're also going to submit over to Ibotta as well. well for 50 cents back on each one of these. That is going to make final cost $3.89 for two, or just $1.94 per 8. Next up, we got an easy deal on the Belvita. These are buy one get one for $5.39. Pick up two for $5.39, and then we have this rebate right here for $5 back when you pick up two. That is going to make it just 39 cents for these two, or 19 cents each. Now, I have tried these Carb Advantage taco shells before, and they are not good. At least the regular ones weren't. So I'm going to try the nacho cheese, because I haven't tried the nacho cheese flavor, and hopefully that's a little bit better than the other ones were, because I wasn't feeling them other ones. But this week, these are a money maker as well. So we are not going to turn down no money, and we're going to try these since we're getting paid to do it. So these are buy one get one for $4.99. So I'm going to pick up two for $4.99. We have $2.25 worth of digital coupons in our Publix app, so we'll save $2.25 instantly at the register, and we will have to pay out $2.75. Then we're going to submit over to Ibotta. This is two more Ibotta offers back. We have $1.50 back on each one. That is going to make these completely free, plus a 25-cent moneymaker, and give us two more Ibotta offers knocked out. Next up, we're grabbing some free Simply Pop. These are buy one get one free, and you do have to be on the old system in order for these to be a freebie. If you check out on one of the new registers, this will probably, you'll end up paying half price for these instead of getting them for completely free. So we're going to pick up two of these for $2.49, and then we have a buy one get one free digital coupon. So the buy one get one free digital coupon is going to take off $2.49. Since these are on sale for buy one get one, that is going to make two of them completely free. This week, the Tylenol Cold and Flu Liquid is on sale, buy one get one for $8.99. We do have $2 printable coupons for these, and we have a $2 digital coupon. So if you want to do this deal alone, you can pick up two for $9. Use a total of $4 worth of coupons. You can do printable or digital or mix and match both. That'll make these just $2.50 each. The Motrin is also on sale, buy one get one for $10.99, and for this one we have a $2 digital coupon. If you're in half BOGO and you can just pick up one for $5.50, you can use that $2 digital coupon, and that will make it just $3.50 for the box. Now we have a brand new New Year's Activate Rewards rebate, and with this rebate there is three different tiers. There is spend 20 get back 5, there's spend 30 get back 10, and there is also spend 75 get back 25. When I have time today, sometime this evening, I will put a link to that rebate on my blog. I will also put it in the description box when I post this video. But I want to combine this deal. I want to try out something with this promotion and the BOGO sale. Now, I would only do this on an old system register. I would not do this on a new system register, because that new system register is going to ring out these items with the after sale price. Now, with the old system, it usually shows the full price and then minuses out that promotion. In the past, Activate Reward has worked when it rings out that way and giving you full credit. So I'm hoping that when I pick up all 4 of these items, I'm going to get 3 of the Tylenol, and I'm going to get 1 of the Motrin. Now, if you're in Florida, of course, you can pick up 2 of the Tylenol, and then you can pick up 2 of the Motrin instead. But I need the cold medicine more than I need the Motrin, so that is why I'm doing it this way. So before the sale, this totals up to $37.96. So I'm way over that $30 mark, as long as it does give me that full credit. We're going to divide this amount in half, because we're only going to pay half of that with the buy one get one sale. And for each one of these items, I am going to be using a $2 coupon. So I have 2 digital coupons for the Motrin and the Tylenol, and then I also printed off 2 paper coupons for the Tylenol that I do not have digital coupons for. So I'm going to save a total of $8 at the register, and at the register I'll have to pay out $10.98. But you guys, I should get back that $10 if everything works how I think it's gonna work, and that'll make it 98 cents for all 4 items, or like 25 cents each. Now I'm taking a chance with this. As soon as this rebate processes, I'll let y'all know in the comments. I'll pin a comment to say how it processed, but I'm not 100% sure how it's gonna process, but I'm willing to take the chance at this price. So hopefully this works out, and these will be 25 cents each. So you guys know I'm not the biggest fan of Dave's Killer Bites, but I am a big fan of Moneymakers. So we are going to be getting these Dave's Bites today because they are a moneymaker. So we're going to pick up 2 bags of these. These are buy one, get one for $6.49. So we are picking up 2 of these for $6.49 after the buy one, get one sale. On your Publix app, clip this $2 digital coupon. That'll leave you to pay $4.49 at the register. Then you're going to get back a total of $6 in cash back from Ibotta. That's going to make these 2 completely free plus $1.50 moneymaker. Yes, yes. And I spoke too quick on that moneymaker because I didn't check Fetch Rewards as well. We also have $1.40 back on Fetch Rewards. So we were at $1.50 moneymaker. We have another $2.80 back here, you guys. This is a really big moneymaker. That's going to be a $4.30 moneymaker for these 2 bags. Even better. So we have a brand new water rebate, and this rebate is similar. It's like the one that we did last year for Triton products. It includes Deer Park. It includes the Pure Life, and it also includes several other brands because Deer Park may be called something else where you live. So just check the list of participating brands because there's like 8 different brands for this water rebate. Now this water rebate is tiered. When you spend 8, you'll get back 2. When you spend 15, you'll get back 5, and so forth. I'm going to do the spend 15 and get back 5. So you want to pick up 3 of the packs of Deer Park, 24 packs in the deal that I'm going to be doing that are buy 2, get 1 free. And then we're going to pick up 2 of the BOGO packs that are buy 1, get 1 this week. Now, because I drink spring water, I prefer the Deer Park. So I picked up 2 of the packs of Deer Park that were $4.49 for my BOGO packs. But what you might want to pick up is the Pure Life water because these packs are actually cheaper this week. They are buy 1, get 1 for $3.89. So if you want to pick that up, it'll only total you up to $15.87 when you pick up 3 of the packs that are buy 2, get 1, the 24 packs, and then pick up 2 of the Pure Life BOGO packs. So you'll pay $15.87 for all of these, all 5 packs after that sale. Then you'll get back a total of $5 in that rebate for spending $15, and that'll make final cost just $10.87 for all 5 of these packs. When you divide that up, these are only $2.17 each, which is not bad at all for water. Now, I will tell you from experience with this rebate takes forever to process. This was one of those rebates where I submitted back for it last year, and I forgot that I submitted back for it for how long that it did take. So do keep that in mind. If you need that $5 back like tomorrow, it is not coming back tomorrow. This takes a long time for this rebate, but it does come. So just keep that in mind. I just wanted to give you that heads up as well. So I was looking for this Dole Whip next. These are buy 1, get 1 for $7.59 because we do have an Ibotta rebate. If you clip this for $2.50 back on each one, that'll make them just $1.29 each, but my store is out of stock. Next, I'm grabbing this New York Texas toast. These are buy 1, get 1 for $4.49. We have a $1 digital coupon if you clipped it. If you're in Florida, you need to grab 2. 2 will be $3.50 or $1.75 each. For me, I'm going to end up paying just $1.25 and half BOGO for 1. So Publix was fantastic this week. So I did 2 transactions. I did my water on 1 transaction so I can submit for that rebate alone. After everything that I got, this was all of the water that I picked up. I paid out $16.47, and then I'll submit for that $5 back for that water rebate. And then I did everything else in the second transaction. After all of my coupons came off at the register, I paid out $41.93 for that transaction. I got back $22.75 in rebates from Ibotta, and of course I hit that $5 bonus, so that'll put me up to $27.75 coming back from Ibotta. Already made the deal fantastic, but we have a lot of other rebates to submit back for. I got back $2.85 from Fetch Rewards. I'll get back $10 hopefully from Activate Rewards. I'm going to submit back for that tonight. Hopefully that comes back in a couple days. And I also am submitting back for $5 for the Belvita and $5 for the Mornings Upgraded. So that makes everything in this transaction completely free, plus a $8.67 profit. And even if I did not get the Activate Rewards, it would still just be like $1.30-something for this transaction, which is still absolutely amazing. But I'm hoping that the Activate rewards will come back, because that'll make this an $8.67 moneymaker. And if we get that $8.67 moneymaker, that makes everything that we got today just $2.80. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.